How to turn off active status on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can turn off active status on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, turning off the active status is fairly simple even in 2023 or even in 2024. So all you have to do is you have to open the Instagram app. Of course, just come to your profile page as you normally would, and then tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side of your profile page, and you'll be taken to settings and privacy. Now, this interface could depend on which version of Instagram you're using and whether you're using a personal or professional account. Now, in case you don't find anywhere over here, what you can actually do is you can use the search bar at the top and just type in something similar to active something. So you can type in active status over here, and here you'll find a search result that says show activity status, so tap on it. Now here you just have to turn off these toggles, both of these toggles by the way, and then your active status will get turned off, and as a result people will not be able to see your active status, but at the same time you will also not be able to see other people's active status. So this is the way you can turn off your active status. Now, I personally don't like having it turned off, so I'll turn them on back again. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.